Well, hello YouTube friends and fans. Today we're going to be working on unboxing, assembling, and making this work for me. So stick around. Alright, let's get to opening it up. Alright, now keep the imagery there so you can see what's going on. This is, well, as it says, a cargo carrier. And even though it says ATV, it is made for a hitch on a vehicle. But it's narrower. So the beauty of that is that it will fit behind my car. Give me a little more cargo space. So there's the first side. Looks pretty good. There's the other side. So I'm going to actually turn this kind of upside down here. This should be the center bar with the hitch. Instructions. Nuts and bolts. So what we have here, this bar is actually supposed to fit on here like so and go into a 2-inch receiver. But my car has 1 1/4 inch. So my plan is hopefully grind the edge down and make it fit inside. On further inspection, bring this in, maybe you can see it on the camera here. Big glob of weld that was really poorly done. And then that seam there wasn't welded in, but the other side was. So I'm not sure if I'm going to tackle this or not. But let's finish assembly. Well, I'm glad I inspected it. Let me see if I can show this to you. It's kind of not showing up well on the camera. Right here, that's not welded. I'm not sure what the hell that is. And this piece out here, it's got a large point and it's actually overhanging the backside. So it is going back to the store. There's that part. Let me see if we can see the other one here. There you go. You can see where it's a, I don't know what that is. That's not welded like the other joints. Alright. So much for assembling. It would assemble real fast. It will go together extremely quick. So it is usable, but this one has poor quality. Thanks for watching. Come back for part 2. We'll make it all happen. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell. It'll let you know when the next one's up. Thank you.
Next level.